In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in WordPress using Elementor. If you're looking to streamline your workflow or just need a consistent page layout across your site, copying a page in Elementor can be a real time saver. I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each action and its purpose. So, let's dive in and simplify your website management. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your starting point for all things related to your site. Once you're in, look for Pages on the left-hand menu and give it a click. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently on your site. Find the page you want to duplicate. This is important because once found, we can ensure you're copying the exact content and layout you desire. Now, hover over the page title you'd like to copy. A small menu will appear with several options. Click on the Edit with Elementor option. This will open up the Elementor editor, which is a powerful tool for designing and customizing your pages. You're now looking at the layout of your page in the editor environment. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Elementor interface. Do you see the icon that looks like a folder? Click it to open a new panel. This panel is called the Elementor Template Library. It's an essential tool for saving, importing, and reusing design elements. Here, focus on the Save Template button that appears on the top right corner of this panel. Clicking Save Template will prompt a new window to pop up. In the field that asks for a name, give your template a clear and descriptive title. This name will help you recognize it later, especially useful if you plan to create multiple templates. Once you've named your template, hit the Save button. It's important to ensure that everything saves correctly, providing peace of mind that your layout is secure. Now that you've saved your page as a template, the next step is to create a new page where you'll duplicate this content. Head back to the WordPress dashboard and under the Pages section, click Add New. This will create a blank canvas for your duplicate page. Back in Elementor, within the new page, click on the same folder icon at the bottom of the screen to open the template library again. Within the My Templates tab, locate the template you just saved. You'll see an Insert button next to it. Go ahead and click it. As you do this, you'll notice that your previously saved page layout appears as if by magic. You're almost done. Make sure to save your changes. Click the Publish button to make your duplicated page live on your site, ensuring that your hard work is available for your audience to see. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated a page in WordPress using Elementor. Take a moment to review the new page, ensuring everything is in place as it was originally intended. This method not only saves time but also keeps your website's aesthetics consistent. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy page building!